So hello guys, welcome back to the next microcontroller tutorial. So this is the first tutorial, and before coming to this tutorial, I will suggest you to go and study either 8051 or Arduino Uno. So before doing the ARM7, it is pretty much advanced microcontroller comparing Arduino Uno and 8051 microcontroller. If you want to start with the easy and cheap and for fun purpose, so better you go with the Arduino Uno. So by using that you can make 805 by using that Arduino Uno you can make mini project as well as major project in your academic and when you want really work or you want to get the knowledge from the basic, then I will suggest you to start with the 8051 microcontroller. So both are having the advantages and disadvantages, but I will prefer you to read before this LPC 2148 microcontroller. You have to be in a good you should have hands-on skill on Arduino or 8051. Moreover, you should know the C language, basics of C language, what are the things we are going to use in that, and these things. So let's start from the scratch level. Anyway, some of the students, they already studied the 8051 and all. If they want to start with the ARM7 microcontroller, so better they can start it now. So again, I am starting it from the basic one, scratch level. So when you will open the Android app and when you will get the subscription from our Android app, so you will get the documents, videos as well as code. Okay, so all the supports you will get it from there. So now the first thing what first we have to learn, you need to open the document in that app, embedded system and microcontroller, either using app or whatever the resources, maybe using web also you can open it. So embedded system and microcontroller document, you have to start open it, and I will give you the some idea. Although everything is mentioned in the document, you need to go through it, but I will give you some idea or some basic knowledge orally, like what about the embedded system and microcontroller. So first couple of videos is based on your tutorials. So before working on LEDs and switching and peripheral programming, you should have the basic knowledge of ARM7 microcontroller. So some of the couple of videos, starting videos, only the explanation of the microcontroller you will get. Later, after timer counter, UART, PLL and GPIO control, all these tutorial, once you will get the idea, then we'll move to interface the hardware part. Okay, so first couple of videos I will teach you, and I will give you the theoretical knowledge, introduction to the boards and timer counter concepts, as well as this one ADC concept and PLL concept. So these all are the concept I will provide you, so that will be helpful. So before if you don't know the basics of the microcontroller, it will be very difficult to interface peripherals with the LPC 2148, because it is somewhat difficult comparing the 8051. Although we are using embedded C programming, logic and all will be same only, but here in case of ARM7, all the registers are 32-bit registers, and what is the crystal frequency, everything I will explain you in a detail. So this is the first tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn embedded C and microcontroller. So guys, what you understand by embedded C? Okay, so embedded C is nothing but the combination of both the software and hardware. So software is nothing but by which we are providing the instruction to the microcontroller hardware, and so why because direct. And one more thing, our microcontroller understand only the binaries values, zeros and one, but it is that is machine level language, so that is difficult to write, and that portability issues we are getting. So the manufacturer, the people, so we are using a high level language, that is C, C++, Python. So these language we are using to write the code, and then by the help of compiler we are converting the high level language source code, high level language or source code to the low level language or machine understandable language. So embedded system is nothing but combination of software and hardware. Software is nothing but collection of program is nothing but the set of instructions. Okay, so instruction is nothing but combination of mnemonics and like move A to B, something like code. So that is all about. So hardware is nothing but we are controlling it by using commands or instructions provided by us to the program. So this is all about the basic idea of embedded C. Okay, so this is all about the introduction. I will suggest you to read this all the introduction, and then what are the applications.